What are you doing? Were you just trying to break into the bathroom? I heard you. What are you doing? I heard you, Maple. What were you doing? I heard your claws. I heard your little paws going crazy. Were you trying to break in the bathroom? Why? There's nobody in there. Oh my gosh. You meowed. Why? Oh my God. What's going on? Are you trying to tell me something? Because you never meow. Oh my gosh. Some love rubs. Oh my God, you're so cute. Can't handle you. Oh, you little twirls. What's going on, Maple? Aw. Maple. Oh, so many kisses. What are you trying to tell me? I feel like you're trying to tell me something. Oops. Oh. I need you to cuddle. Come on. We're gonna learn how to cuddle, okay? We're gonna learn how to cuddle. So close. Come on. I know you want love. You just don't know how to accept it. God.